Class of mobile computing. Today we will learn about DBMS for mobile devices. Let me recapitulate first what is mobile database. Traditionally, large-scale commercial databases were developed as centralized database systems. However, this trend changed as more and more distributed applications started to emerge. The distributed database applications involved usually a strong central database and powerful network administration. However, the newer technology trends have changed this paradigm because of following technological trends. The notebook and laptop computers are being used increasingly among the business community. The development and availability of a relatively low cost wireless digital communication infrastructure. This infrastructure is based on wireless local area network, cellular digital packet network, and other technologies. The rapid environment of wireless communication technology and computer miniaturizing technology have enabled user to utilize computing resources anywhere in the computer network. For example, we can even connect to the intranet from an aeroplane. Mobile database are the database that allows the development and deployment of database applications for handheld services, thus enabling relational database based applications in the hand of mobile workers. The database technology allows employees using handheld to link to their corporate network, download data, work offline, and then connect to the network again to synchronize with the corporate database. For example, with a mobile database embedded in a handheld device, a package delivery worker can collect signatures after each delivery and send the information to a corporate database at the end of the day. What is mobile database? Here a formal definition is given. A mobile database is a database that can be connected to by a mobile computing device over a mobile network. A database that is portable and physically separate from the corporate database server. But mobile database is capable of communicating with that corporate database server from remote sites, allowing the sharing of corporate database. Ability of mobile DBMS should be communicate with centralized database server through nodes such as wireless or internet access, replicate data on centralized database server and mobile device, synchronize data on centralized database server and mobile device, capture data from various sources such as internet, manage, analyze data on mobile device, create customized mobile applications. Mobile computing has proved useful in many applications. Many business travelers are using laptop computers to enable them to work and to access data while traveling. Delivery services may use mobile computers to assist in tracking of delivery of goods. Emergency response services may use mobile computers at the disaster site, medical emergencies, to access information and to provide data pertaining to this situation. Newer application of mobile computers are also emerging. This is the diagram: corporate server and then corporate database. It is linked with corporate DBMS. Communication link is there. Then there is mobile DBMS, mobile database, and then laptop. Also, again mobile DBMS, mobile database, and then PDA. This is the figure of mobile database. What is the need for mobile database? Need for data to be collected as it happens. Business today means anytime, anywhere, and any device. Mobile users must be able to work without a wireless connection due to poor or even non-existent connections. Need to access data while the mobile user is disconnected from the network, wireless or otherwise. This capability is best implemented by incorporating persistent data storage using a mobile database in your application. The mobile computing environment consists of mobile computer, which are referred to as mobile host, and wired network computer. It is possible for mobile host to communicate directly without the intervention of mobile support system. However, such communication can occur only between the nearby host. The size and power limitation of many mobile computers have led to alternative memory hierarchies. Features of mobile database: it provides relational database services but require less memory. Analyze and manipulate data on a mobile device. Handle SQL queries on the road. That means we can handle SQL queries while moving. Users can choose to work online with a central DBMS server, download data and work on them. Users can choose to capture real-time data and synchronize later. They are customized for mobile applications. Applications of mobile databases. We can find application of mobile database in each and every sector. Business: information on customers, competitors and market trend, anytime, anywhere. It is necessary for a business organization to keep track about the competitors and also the market trends of the customer so as to earn profit and stay in the business. Salesperson can update sales and customer data on the move. Since salespersons are continuously moving and the data needs to be updated every day, so it is easier for them to update the data while move. Public sector: US Army uses mobile database technology to get current inventory and readiness information that can save them logistical cost. Health sector: it is used by physicians to store and retrieve information while making their round. It has happened in India that an operation is being performed when the head doctor or who was supervising other doctor was sitting on another city, and with the help of video conferencing, he was giving instruction to other doctors, and they have operated the patient successfully. It is used by doctors and paramedics to retrieve vital patient history and treatment information while attending to patient in battlefield and remote accident locations. DBMS for mobile devices. DBMS for mobile devices should be dedicated to optimizing at least one of the following, or preferably both: power optimization, memory management. Power optimization. Mobile devices such as laptops, cell phones, PDAs, and radios have a limited power supply. So, we need to optimize our database to use as few resources as possible while providing the necessary functionality. Memory management. Memory is an important criteria as far as mobile database systems are connected. Mobile systems are concerned. It is important to decide how much of the devices it is important to decide how much of device internal memory should be dedicated to the database. Mobile database architecture. For any mobile architecture, things to be considered are: users are not attached to a fixed geographical location. Mobile computing devices, low power, low cost, and portable. Wireless network, mobile computing constraints. Also, there are three parties. Mobile database typically involves three parties: fixed host, mobile unit, base station. Fixed host. The mobile host need to only receive data as and when those data are transmitted. Fixed host perform the transaction and data management function with the help of database server. The mobile host may also have the local non-volatile storage for storing the broadcast data as and when received. Mobile units are portable computers that move around a geographical region that includes the cellular network or cells that these units use to communicate to base station. These networks need not be cellular telephone network. Base station are two-way radios installation in fixed location that pass communication with the mobile unit to and from the fixed host. They are typically low power devices such as mobile phone, portable phone, or wireless router. Mobile database systems limitation. Limited wireless bandwidth, wireless communication speed. Speed is a limitation. Less secured, vulnerable to physical activity, hard to make theft proof. As one of the major costs involved in wireless communication is the connectivity cost is paid for on the basis of connection time there is an incentive for certain mobile hosts to be disconnected for substantial period. However, during this time of disconnection, the user may still be working. The problem will result from the fact that only one copy of information is kept at local host and simulation of storage that take care of failure will be difficult to do so. Thank you for watching.